When it feels like I've been fading to the background, don't leave my room for like a week, don't wanna go
Flight time is
out.
approximately 1 hour and
These
10
moments
minutes.
keep reminding me of
We are now
my
heading to
style.
Manila.
Just how you can't have the highs without the letdowns. I overcomplicate, I underestimate how easy it is to live like this. Feel better.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila.
Hello. So awkward to talk. Anyways, hello. We are here at Manila International Airport and we are now waiting for our flight to Osaka. It's already 11 in the morning and our flight is later 3 o'clock p.m. We had a connecting flight from Panglao. We flew kaninang 7:35 a.m. So we passed through the immigration and the only thing na tinanong niya sa akin is ilang days ako doon, and he asked me if kailan daw yung uwi ko sa Pinas. He asked if I have already booked a hotel. I said meron na. Hindi naman siya naghanap ng paper or something. He just asked. He asked also if sino kasama ko. I said I'm with my husband right over here who is busy playing ML. He also asked if what's my job kasi nilagay ko doon is self-employed ako. Yun lang. Tapos go na. Yeah, so see you later at Japan.
I don't know why people go and it's a shame. And it's usually the people that say they never change. That's when you told me that the storms will come. We just gotta learn to dance in the rain. Then you said, don't worry.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Kansai International Airport in Osaka, Japan. Local time now is 10 minutes past the hour of 8 in the evening. Once again, there is a time difference between Manila and Osaka. Osaka is ahead by an hour.
And we are out. We have just passed the immigration and now we are going to get our luggage. Woohoo! Big first night here in Japan. And gikapoy na. We are waiting for our bus going to Osaka. There's our baggage. Okay guys, we are now here. We're still here at Kansai International Airport. We're waiting for our limousine bus going to Osaka Omeda. One, two. order of business, Ichiran Ramen. Wala pa kaming dinner. There's my egg.
Kaya ano na yung restaurant? Ichiran.
To the honor. Welcome to our tiny abode. So, this is our room. It's so cute. Ouch. Mirror, TV, desk, ref, window, bed, and that's it. And of course, we have toilet, a little tub,